some of the questions from the exercise 1.1. Chapter name is Real Numbers from the class 10 standard. What is the given question here? Express each numbers as a product of the prime factors. It is given 4 numbers are given here. First one is 140, second 156, and third one is 3025. For all these numbers, we have to find the prime factors. So let us start here. First number is 140. Do factorization using factorization method. So this is a even number. So divide it by 2. So 2 70s are again 70 is the even number. 2 35 is 35 is the odd number. So it is dividing from 5 7 times and 7 1. So simple. So then 140 is equal to 2 into 5 into 7. The correct answer is 2 square into 5 into 7. So this is about the first question. Next one is 156. Same procedure. So here also this is a even number. So divide from 2. 1 times it is dividing from 7. 2 7s are 40 and 2 8s are 60. 2 3s are 6. 2 9s are 80. So 39 is the multiple of 30. So take from 30. 30 3s, or else you can take from the 3. 3 1s are and 3 3s are, and the last factor is 30. 30 1 time. Do it carefully. So do divisions here also. Do it carefully. Then the given number 156 is equal to, write all the factors in an order. Then write in the form of the exponent. That is 2 appears 2 times. That is 2 square into 3 into 30. This is about the second problem. Let us see third one. 3025. So this number is not an even number. We have to check whether this number is divided from next number. Next factor is 3. So it is not dividing. You have to check. And this number is it has what unit place as a 5 as a unit place here. So divide from 5. 5 6 next to 0. 2 is not dividing by 5. So put here 0. Then what? 5 times. Then 5 1s again it is what? 5 2s and 5 1s. Then 121 is dividing from 11. 11 11s and 11 1s. So write down the factors here. 3025 is equal to 5 into 5 into 11 into 11. That is 5 square into 11 square. So these things. Okay, this is the way of finding the prime factors of the given number. Let us go for next problem. Next number. Totally in first way 5 sums are there. You can let sum. 5005. Next sum will be 5005. Isn't it? 5005, and one more number is 7429. This is the last problem. 7429. Okay. So let us start here. The method is same, almost same, exactly same. Let us start 5005. So this number is divided by the 5 because in unit place it has 5. So divide from 5. 5 1s are 0 0 and again 5 1s are. So let us think here 1001 is the number which is not dividing from 2 and 3. So by which number it is divided, you have to check that. That is from 7 because in the unit place 1 is there. Let us check from the 7. 7 1s are 7. You can see how much? 3 and 30 and 7 goes at 28. 30 minus 28 is how much? 2. Then 7 3 is 143. So let us check here, is it divided by 7? No, it is not divided by 7. So I will take here next one as 11. I think it is divided by 11. 11 1s are 11. 11 1s are 11. Remains here 3. How much it is? 3 is. Then last one is 31. So the factors are, its factors are 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. So these are the factors of the number 5005. So last number is 7429 by the factorization method. Do it here carefully. 7429. So this will be the last product in the exercise 1.1. Yes, correct. So the given number is here. We have to check by some number. This is not divided by the 2. And check this number is divided by 3 or not. 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, 13 plus 9 is 22. 22 is not a multiple of 3, so it is not divided by 3. So let us check by some other number like 13. I think it is called 13. Let us check here. 13. Okay, 13. Okay, 13 6 are 78. 78. Sorry, it is not divided. 13 5s are 65. So we have to check here whether this number is dividing or not. So I am taking the number from 17. 17 4s are 68. Okay, 17 4s are 68. 74 minus 16 is how much? Okay. So 6 and 2. Again 73s are. 17 3s are how much? 51. How much it is? 51. Here remains what? Okay. 119. 190 is a multiple of 7. 17. 17 sevens are. So you can cross check here whether division is right or wrong. Next one, next factor DP. It must be the prime numbers here. Whatever you are writing the number, it must be prime number. So let's check whether it is divided by the next number. I think it is divided by 13. 13, how much? 33s are 39. Okay, 33s are 39. Wait. 13 is a 39. 43 minus 39 will be. No, it is not dividing by 30. So we have to check the other factor as 19. So here what I am taking the number 17 and 19. These all number. Unit places. See the unit place of this given digit is 9 and 7. So that's why I am thinking the factors like 13, 17 and 19 like that. 13 what times? Sorry, 19 2s are 38. 19 2s are 38. 43 minus 30 is what? Okay, fine. 57. So 19 3s are 57. 19 3s are 57. The last factor is 23. 23 one time. Therefore, the factors of the given number 7429 are 7,429 are 17 into 19 into 23. So these are the factors of the given number. So if you have any doubt, please do ask your doubt in our comment box. Do share, comment and subscribe Shri Sai Guru channel. Thank you for watching this video.